Hey, welcome back to another video. So in this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to force all the traffic from HTTP to HTTPS. So now there are three different methods. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you two methods how to do that. One is by updating the site URL in WordPress settings, and the second one is through htaccess file, which I'm going to show how to edit that. So let's get started. As you can see, I have a website here, tipswithalam.com, and if I just try to access this website with HTTP, it is not redirecting to HTTPS, and it's not showing me that this website is secure. So now how to do this using the WordPress settings, I'm going to show you that. So let me quickly log into my WordPress dashboard. We are at the dashboard. Just go to settings and go to general, and here in the general you will have to change this WordPress address and the site address. So now currently it is HTTP. I'll change this to HTTPS. So that's one way how we can do it. I'll save these changes, and in case if this one is not fixing your issue, you'll have to edit your files. You have to edit your htaccess file. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So now let me log into my cPanel. Here's my cPanel, and let me access file manager here. Where is the file manager? Here it is. So in file manager, always make sure that you go to settings and check this show hidden files .files, because that's when you're gonna see all these files in case you want to access these files for some content. So go to public_html. This is the place, public_html. This is the file that you have to open. Okay, this is the location where you have all these files, and here you'll find htaccess file. Always make sure to have a copy, so download. Just in case you mess up, you can always delete that file and update this file, and the website will be okay. So I've downloaded a copy as a backup. Next step is to right click and select edit. Click on edit again. So now we can see we have a by default code, the PHP code for this file here. Because this is a server file, always make sure that you have a backup of this file. It is an Apache server file. It will mess up your website. So what you have to do is you have to paste a code that I'm going to give you, which is easily available on Google, for the redirection from HTTP to HTTPS. So here is the code. I'll copy this code. It starts with rewrite engine on. Okay. And go back to your htaccess editor, and you have to paste this above any instructions or any code that you have, and click on save changes, and this will save the changes. Close this, we don't need this anymore. We'll close the cPanel as well. And now let's try to access the same website again, and we have some issues. We're not able to access. There you go. The website is now accessible, and it is redirecting to HTTPS from HTTP. So that's how you force all the traffic that's coming to your HTTP site to your HTTPS. And the third method, which is optional, which I'm not going to show you in this method, is to install a SSL certificate easily from your hosting account. Nowadays, most of the hosting providers are providing a free SSL certificate. However, if you are not getting it, then you can go to this plugin called Really Simple SSL. Okay, you just need to install this plugin from the WordPress library. I just download here and upload this in the WordPress library, and you'll be able to, just follow the instructions, and you'll be able to install a SSL certificate free of cost and easily in 2 minutes. Okay, so if all these three options are not working for you, and still your traffic from .http is not from HTTP is not being redirected to HTTPS, in that case, please contact your hosting provider, because only he can help. Okay, so that's how you redirect all this traffic, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.